This is a continuation of my first video on the Eurotek Pro in my test garden. Today I thought I'd just get out and instead of talking a whole lot or going over some of the iron features, which I really like, I just want to swing over it and let you see what's showing on the screen, and I'll describe what's in the ground. I'm going to take just a second and I'm going to drop the sensitivity down to 9. I'm going to take a discrimination all the way up to 40, which takes out all the iron, discriminates the iron out. I want you to listen to how it runs. Four and a half inch penny. Six-inch dime. I'm going to drop the sensitivity down a little bit. Let's go down to 7. See how we do on this dime. 6-inch dime. Now just play around a little bit. Let's drop it down to 6. See what happens. Starting to break up a little bit on our detection. Still good enough to make you want to stop and dig. Let's drop it. Let's go back up to 7. I'm going to change this volume to 11. Is what I usually like, just to hear the iron, what might come through at a low volume. 6-inch dime. 6.5-inch quarter. Now I might add one thing. As long as these coins has been in the ground, it's probable that they're deeper than what I'm stating. But when I buried them at a measured depth, and I put every one of them perfectly flat. Four and a half inch quarter. 3-inch quarter. Three-inch dime. I'm going to drop the discrimination back down. Always like to hear a little bit of iron. Four-inch dime. 4.5-inch dime. There's that 6-inch dime. 6.5-inch quarter. Now a lot of people probably like 4 tones, but here you usually get a better audio with a relic machine. if you're using two-tone. Four and a half inch dime. I'm gonna go around it now. Let's see what happens. That's a classic dig signal. Let's do a 6 inch. 6 inch cuts off a little bit. I like to point out that this target is a small rivet about the size of the end of a pencil eraser, and it's exactly 7 inches deep. 6.5 inch quarter. I love that iron audio volume, being able to adjust it low. Still getting the ID number, 30. Iron icon flashing top left hand corner. There's that 4.5 inch dime. That was a classic signal. We couldn't get that one to break up. Four and a half inch penny. See how quick this machine reacts. Now I'm moving in and out of iron. You can notice that by the iron indicator. Iron here. 4.5 inch penny there. Now look what happens as I move. I start getting more into the iron. Just start pulling them numbers down. That's why if you're ever really cunning, of course you're digging by good tones, then targets that are masked severely, you're going to recover anyhow. Well, I hope everyone's enjoyed it and appreciate barely looking. And all I can say is First Texas has come out with another winner.